This is the new Xsense home security system. This security system is perfect for those who don't want a monthly subscription or complicated setups. This system is easy to set up, easy to install, and requires not monthly subscription. In this video, you will learn how to set it up, how to use the mobile app, how to install the sensors, and at the end of the video, I will give you my true, honest opinion that will help you decide if this home security system is the right one for you. Let's start with the unboxing. This is the 8-piece system, which includes 2 motion sensors, 4 entry sensors, 1 base station, and 1 remote. You can also buy a 5-piece system by visiting their website, or you can also get it directly from Amazon. You'll find both links in the description below. In the box, you will find the user manual that has all the information that you need, a card with a QR code to download the mobile application, a sticker to warn people that your home is under Xsense protection, a small box with a power cable and batteries, 2 motion sensors, the base station that is modern and small, and lastly 4 entry sensors. Inside of this box, you will find a small bag with screws, 6 batteries, the remote, and power cable for the base station. I spent a few minutes inspecting the pieces and couldn't find any defects or imperfections. So far, I am impressed by the quality. The base station is made out of plastic, but it feels solid. It is also compact, about 5.5 inches by 3 1/8. Same with the rest of the pieces, they feel solid and well made. You have 2 options to install the sensors. You can use the foam tapes or you can use the included screws. Okay, now you need to download the mobile app to set up the alarm. Here we're going to use the card that has the QR code. Scan it and you'll be redirected to the App Store to download the free app. If for some reason you don't have the card, you can type Xsense Home Security and you'll get the same results. This application is also compatible with Android phones. The next step is to create an account with Xsense. Open the app. It will ask you if you would like to receive notifications. Tap Allow. Next, click on Create Account. Choose the place where you live. In my case, it is the United States. Type in your email address and choose a password. They will send you an activation code to your email. Check your email. If you don't see it in your inbox, don't forget to check your spam folder. Type your code and you are now done creating your account. All you need to do now is to log in. The next step is to add devices. Start with the base station. Connect the power cable using the rear port. Next, connect the power cable to an electrical outlet. Now you're ready to set it up. Tap on the base station icon. Tap Allow Camera Access. And now you need to scan the QR code under the base station. Choose a name for your base station. I wanted to keep it simple, so I named it Base Station. The next option will ask you for an additional name. I chose Home. And lastly, choose where the base station will be installed. Since my station will be in the kitchen, I chose Kitchen. It will ask you to use your Bluetooth to continue the setup. Tap OK. After a few seconds, you will be able to click the next button. Now, the system requires to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. On this step, you need to enter your Wi-Fi password. After a few seconds, you will hear the voice confirmation that it is now connected.
Wi-Fi connected.
Okay, you are done with the base station. Now let's add the sensors. The process is very simple. Click the plus button and choose the sensor that you want to add. I am going to start with the entry sensors. It will ask you to scan the QR code. The QR code, it is located on the back. Remove the plastic cover and you'll see it there. Now use the application to scan it. Choose a name and click Next. The sensor is now ready for the battery. Install one of the included batteries. Click Next on the application and here it will ask you to press and hold the test button that is on the side of the sensor for 5 seconds until the LED flashes blue.
Device added.
And that's it. The sensor is now connected to the base station. To add the rest of the sensors, follow the exact same steps. The remote will ask you to push 2 buttons at the same time.
Device added.
The application is very simple and easy to use. On Home, you will see all of your sensors and the status of them. If you tap on the base station, you will have basic settings. You can adjust the volume of the voice confirmation and the alarm volume. You also have 3 alarm tones to choose from. This is the tone 1, tone 2, and tone 3. If you select the max volume of the alarm, you will realize that it is loud. Your neighbor might be able to hear it. I mean, it is not crazy loud, but it is loud enough to scare anyone that might want to break into your house. On the bottom, you will have the mode option. This option is to activate and deactivate the alarm. You also have the history, where you can see the history of everything that has happened in the past few days. The alarm can also be activated using the remote.
Awake mode ready. System on.
Another nice feature is that you can invite more people to manage your alarm system. You can have 2 or multiple authorized cell phones that will be able to arm or disarm the alarm. In this case, my wife will be able to control the alarm system using her cell phone. The best part is that you don't need to pay for additional features. Everything is included in the free mobile application. The installation of the sensors is very simple. I decided to use the foam tape to install the sensors on the windows. First, make sure the area where you're going to install is nice and clean. I like to use rubbing alcohol to clean the surface. One thing to keep in mind, the sensor that has the magnet goes on the window that slides. The other sensor goes on the window frame. Keep that in mind because this is important. Remove the film and place the sensor on the window. Do the same steps for the rest of the windows and doors. Make sure the gap between the sensor is not more than 1 inch, otherwise the sensor won't work. The installation of the motion sensor is similar. Use the foam tape if you want to install it on a flat wall, or use the screws if you want to install it on a wall corner. The bracket on the back has the correct angle for an easy installation. Make sure to use the correct screws. Pay attention to the label on the backs. The corner of my living room is the perfect spot for the motion sensor. Measure your wall and make sure not to install the sensor above 6.56 feet. Otherwise, the sensor will not have a good coverage. These sensors are for an indoor installation. Do not install these sensors outside. And also keep it away from heat sources, such as a stove or window under direct sunlight. I don't use my chimney in my living room, so my sensor will be good. Use the app to choose the sensitivity of the sensor. I tested the sensor in low light conditions and did a very good job detecting the movement. But what if there's not light at all? Don't worry, the sensor will detect the movement. This is a very good home security system. It includes everything you need to secure your home. And the best part, this is a one-time purchase. It is affordable and doesn't require a monthly subscription. The mobile application is free and has many premium features that other companies charge a lot to use. Okay, now here's my final honest opinion. This system is the best option for people that want an affordable and basic home security system. It doesn't have cameras, it doesn't have a real person monitoring 24/7. It is basic but does a very good job protecting your home. If you're looking for something simple and affordable, I will recommend it 100%. Oh, don't forget to install the sticker on a visible area. That's it for today. I hope this video helps someone and thanks for watching.